Ahoy, sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Princess Cruises has announced a brand new exclusive themed cruise featuring the legendary Adam Savage, the original co-host of Discovery Channel's beloved series MythBusters. Brace yourselves for a playground at sea for curious minds, where science, engineering, and trivia come together to create an unforgettable experience. Set sail on the magnificent Discovery Princess, starting November 25, 2023, from the Port of Los Angeles on a 4-day West Coast Getaway to San Diego and Ensenada. This is your chance to meet the iconic Adam Savage, learn about his illustrious career, and even explore the ship with him as your personal guide. Can you imagine getting a behind-the-scenes look at Discovery Princess with Adam himself? Well, now you can. But that's not all. Adam Savage is also launching an exclusive video series that will take you on a mesmerizing journey of the astonishing wonders of Sun Princess, Princess Cruises' latest marvel, set to debut in early 2024. Witness never-before-seen glimpses of the groundbreaking dome and sphere features as you follow the ship's birth from the ground up. You can catch this engaging series on Adam's popular YouTube channel, Tested, which boasts over 6.3 million subscribers. Exciting, right? Adam's passion for science and engineering shines through as he shares his fascination with the complexity of cruise ship engineering, making it a riveting experience for everyone on board. As he said, the scale of it is staggering. Plus, did we mention he loves trivia? Get ready for exciting and fun-filled moments during hosted trivia game experiences on the cruise. The list of activities on this themed cruise is impressive. From an introduction at the sail-away party to a question-and-answer presentation in the Princess Theater and meet and greets with Adam for those coveted photo opportunities, you'll be starstruck. Additionally, you'll have the opportunity to join Adam for specialty dinners, reserved on board, where you can dive deep into fascinating conversations with this multi-talented personality. Oh, don't forget, of course, this is Princess, so fees apply. For the younger cruisers on board, Adam has something special in store with a camp discovery activity tailored exclusively for them. Imagine your kids getting inspired and motivated by one of the most imaginative minds out there. Adam Savage's career journey has been nothing short of extraordinary, with achievements spanning from special effects designs to fine art sculptures and spacesuits. From working on Star Wars episodes to being part of the Emmy-nominated MythBusters series, Adam's creativity knows no bounds. He has truly turned his imaginative ideas into tangible creations, and now he's ready to share his knowledge and passion on the high seas. So, mark your calendars for this fantastic cruise experience with Adam Savage and get ready to unleash your inner explorer. Head over to princess.com/cruise with Adam Savage to find more details about this exclusive themed cruise, or click the link in the description of this video. Before you go, tell us in the comments below which Adam Savage adventure you are most excited about, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.